SunBlaster Growlight Garden comes to you as a complete, ready-to-grow garden. Just assemble and add your favorite starting mix, seeds, or starter plants of your choice, water, and you'll be growing in no time. It's just that easy. This is the perfect kit for indoor salad or microgreen production. The compact size and shape of this unit is ideal for table or kitchen countertop use. The SunBlaster Growlight Garden comes complete with lighting kits and reflectors, 4 seedling trays, wicking mat, and platform to keep your plants automatically watered. The sturdy recycled plastic base acts as a reservoir for water. In this tray sits a stand covered by a sheet of absorbent cloth that draws water up and into the bottoms of the planted seed trays by capillary action. This is SunBlaster's wicking system, which helps take the guesswork out of watering. These trays are specifically engineered to allow for just the right amount of water and air circulation to help keep your root zone healthy and happy. Our Growlight Garden is available in T5 fluorescent lighting with nanotech reflectors, as well as our new full LED option. With an adjustable canopy height, the SunBlaster Growlight Garden gives you the flexibility to create the ideal setup for your environment. Whether it's for salads and herbs, early season seed starting, or to boost flowering houseplants, the SunBlaster Growlight Garden allows you to grow what you love and love what you grow all year long. SunBlaster. Brought to you by Hydrofarm.